On today's video, I'm gonna try to show you guys on so I'm working on a 1980 Firebird. This is my project car. So when I bought it, the wiring is a mess, and I'm just trying to get the car drivable right now. So I'll show you turn signals and headlights. So first off, I could not get whatsoever for the wires coming out of my steering column to work for my turn signals. So what I ended up doing was I just ran two wires out through the firewall for your turn signal, and I ran both of those wires right here. As you see, my purple and blue, and if you look as your side indicators, so for your left turn it is like a light bluish color, is what I ran for the left turn signal, and then your right turn signal is a like a dark blue color. So I installed aftermarket LED switches for my turn signals. I bought these little things on Amazon. So you got your, oh, I don't have the key in. Your left turn signal just has a negative and positive LED light, and so does your right, negative and positive. You just ground them. I have them grounded right here to this little bolt, and then I put the positive connected to that light blue wire and the dark blue wire for your right turn signal. And then for my headlights, I don't know if my switch is broken, the wire's not ran, but when you pull it, only my dims come on. And then when I was sitting here looking at my car, I had the two bolts for the floor dimmer switch. So I end up just, that brown wire you see is to just a 12-volt power source, and then my white wire I ran through the firewall. Ran it through the firewall. I just tucked it up under here. I did put it to a relay. You don't have to if you don't want to. I just, being on the safe side, put it to a relay, and then to the blue wire, and then obviously, if you don't know, your red is power, blue is what goes to whatever you want to power. Then you have a black wire that is your ground, and then the white wire will be what turns on the relay. So that goes to the floor dimmer switch, and then this green wire I got here, I just ran around, and your brights on the 1980 Firebirds is this lime green wire. I put it on this wire right here, on the dim headlight driver side. I connected at one wire, and when you click that switch, all the brights come on. So you don't have to wire every single headlight. You just have to put it on one lime green, and it'll run. I hope that helped you guys if you're trying to install aftermarket things. If you have any questions, just leave a comment. Thank you.